Whether you are a part of a big city hospital, work at a rural clinic, or are out on in-home visits, you and your patient's safety is critical. Documenting evidence and preserving information is paramount in all aspects of healthcare. The Occly solution provides a flexible and low-cost mobile alarm system that provides fast and accurate real-time situational awareness, so you and your healthcare team are prepared for the worst. The Occly solution features our hardware, which includes our body cameras and other wearable devices, and enterprise software, which is comprised of our fully featured smartphone app and web companion. In case of emergency, when you push the panic button on your smartphone app or hardware device, alarms instantly send video, images, and audio of the situation to the cloud and to our 24/7 monitoring services, so your situation can be monitored in real time from afar. From there, emergency services can dispatch to your area with accurate and detailed information. Alarm alerts can be reviewed by Occly's monitoring services, a contact list of recipients, or any dispatch center using our open API, including an on-site staff or the local police. The Occly solution offers tools that give you the ultimate protection. Tools like real-time mapping including indoor location services, live remote access to video, images, and audio, geofencing, which includes entrance and exit alerts, as well as remote data retrieval. Occly is customizable. We have built-in controls that give you the ability to manage your device's cameras and other features, so that we can work within your corporate parameters and policies. It can all be based on the job description and where our technology is being used. Are you worried about the extra red tape it will take to get expensive and permanent safety solutions approved? No need to worry. With Occly, there are no wires, no long-term commitments, and leasing options are available. Prices are as low as $1 a day per hardware user, which includes monitoring and body cam hardware. Fob and application options are available for even less. From the moment you contact us, the Occly solution can be ready to go in a matter of weeks. Our Blink and Link models are available now. For more information about Occly and the healthcare industry, visit our website at www.occly.com.